To create an animated grid background that scrolls vertically, start by adding a 4-color gradient generator to your timeline from the Effects panel. This will serve as the colorful base for your grid. Select the clip and open the inspector, then go to the Generator tab and customize each of the 4 corners to your preferred colors. Next, place an adjustment clip on the track above the gradient to hold the grid in motion effects without altering the original clip. Apply the grid effect to the adjustment clip. Then in the inspector, set major line spacing to 0, horizontal and vertical line width to 0.1, and global blend to about 0.3 to create a subtle, fine grid. Add the transform effect to the same adjustment clip. To animate the grid, move the playhead to the start of the clip and set a keyframe for position Y with its default value. Then move to the end and change position Y to -1, which shifts the grid upward. Finally, expand the advanced options and change edge behavior to wrap around so the grid seamlessly repeats as it moves. Play back to see a smooth, continuously scrolling animated grid background.